How to add paper money to Cash App. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add paper money to your Cash App. So let's get started. First, open up your Cash App. Now, this paper money addition feature is not really available for everyone. The feature is out, but it's not available for everyone. So you can know that by just asking your support on your Cash App. So you can text them asking them when it will be available for you, and they will tell you. But if you do have that, add paper money feature, I do have some information for you. So adding paper money to your Cash App is really simple. Turns out all you need to do is go to a fixed deposit location, and after that you go to the location. All you need to do is give them the cash and they will give you the money. They will add the money for you. So these are the locations right here, as you can see, deposit locations. So these locations support your addition of paper money to your Cash App. So you can go to any one of these. You can go to the nearest one to your home. Then as it says right here, first you need to find a location. So you can find a location by tapping on the banking tab on your Cash App home screen. Select paper money and find the location near you. After you do that, you can simply visit that place. Then you need to ask to swipe the card. Now, some merchants may ask you to swipe the card on cash card to perform the paper money deposit. So all you need to do is you'll need to swipe the card and there will be a barcode involved. And yeah, you can just go ahead there. You can ask them around if it's your first time. And there are a few limits to here. As you can see right here, with paper money deposits, you can deposit up to $1,000 per rolling 7 days and $4,000 per rolling 30 days. So these are the limitations: $1,000 per week and $4,000 per month. So transaction must be a minimum of $5 and cannot exceed $500. And the 7 day and 30-day limits are based on a rolling time frame. So this means that you will have few limitations on your paper money deposit limits. And there you see ID verification. Certain merchants and retailers may ask for your ID as an additional verification step, so be sure to carry your verification ID. So that is how you add money to your Cash App, add paper money to your Cash App, and that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.